This is the best cordless hand vacuum. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Don. Today in this video, I'm going to unbox and open the Shark WANDVAC hand vacuum, and I'll do a performance test and I'll give you my opinion whether this is a good product or not. And all my reviews are non-affiliated, unbiased and honest. There are no affiliated links. I didn't take money from anyone. So you're going to get totally honest and unbiased review. This is all you get when you open the box. So there's instruction manual and brochure, but I never read those, so I'll just set it aside. And then this is the actual hand vacuum, or they call it WANDVAC, so just put it aside. Now one thing I noticed that the power adapter is actually attached. I don't think you can remove it. Let me see. I'm just afraid if I try to remove it, it's gonna get ruined. Yeah, so looks like this is attached. There you cannot remove it, but if you remove it, even it doesn't matter. So it looks like this is going to be staying here. And now here, this is your base, and this part is going to has to be attached to this. So in order to do that, what you're going to do, all you have to do, you have to slide it in here. This one is a little bit tricky. Let me see. Okay, see, like this way. So this one goes through or comes through here. So you're just going to put it in here, and then if you just slide it all the way to the up, now you have a base. And then you can just make it nicer. And this is where your hand vacuum is going to sit. And you can see that these two metal clip or parts are going to be attached here, and that's how it's going to get the charge. So it has to be this way. That's how it's going to stand. And then this has to be plugged in. Also, what happens here, they gave two separate attachments, and one of them is this. They call it this one is called crevice tool, and this one is called multi-surface pet tool. So you can see that it has kind of wider area to cover, and you can easily attach these to this section here, or just like this section here. Now I usually never use these tools. I just use this part. Is good enough, and that's how I'm going to be using. And then there's the power button, and looks like it has charge. You can see that it's working, and then when you press this button, it's going to remove this, so all the dust and everything comes out. So this one kind of makes a bang sound, so you may want to just be careful. So you hold it, and now you have to just kind of dust off everything which is going to be in there. Okay, now let's close it, and I'm going to try to show you the filter. Here you see that it shows slide to access filter. So if you kind of slide it, let's see what happens. Okay, so here looks like the filter is going to come out. Okay, so here, this is your filter, and this is what you're going to be changing. And if you kind of take it out, let me see if I can open it. Oh, that's so easy. So you can just clean these once in a while, clean this once in a while, and then you can put it back. That's your filter. Now I checked on Amazon. Usually they have for I think $15 or something. So it's not that expensive. But I don't think I need to change this for a while. And then once you are done, you can just put it back, and you can just close it. Now it's a very simple process. Everything looks fairly simple. I don't see anything complicated. And also, I think I forgot to mention these two. You can make them attach or stand here this way, and then this one is going to be here this way. So this is where they're going to rest when you don't use them. So for me, I think it's always going to be there, because I don't think I'm ever going to be using these attachments. So next part, let's do some testing and see how it can pick up things. So by the sound of it, it looks like it should be able to handle small work. This is definitely not for to vacuum clean your whole house. The purpose is just to pick up small items, or mess here and there. Especially if you're living with children or women, then you are going to get a lot of hairs at home, because I always have to pick up hair from the washroom whenever my lady is taking shower, and or she's like even in the washroom, there's always hair everywhere. So that's a very good job. This is going to do a very good job for that. Now here I have salt, and I have coffee, and I have a cereal. So I'm just going to show you guys how it works. When I turn it on initially, the sound tells me that it's going to definitely do a good job, but let's see. So I'm going to turn this on just by pressing here. Oh, look at that, guys. Actually it has a much more suction than I was expecting. So here, let's go through it. Okay, you can see it took everything, all the coffee is gone. And then let's go to salt, and you can see that all the salt is gone. Let's turn it off, and I'm going to show you guys it's all in here. So definitely it's going to do a good job. And when you want to release this, all you have to do, just press this button. So that should do the job. So I cannot find anything to complain about. Only the thing is that the base or this part has to be always plugged in. I think that's the purpose. So you have to kind of always put it plugged. So I have to find a space for this. But except that this is like around $100 or so, sometimes goes on sale, and it could be a little bit more or less in that range in Canadian dollars. So this is not like too expensive, not cheap. So definitely this is a good product to buy for your own use or to give a gift to someone.